In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and manage shared files in OneDrive. First off, if you haven't already, we'll begin by logging into your Microsoft account. To do this, head over to account.microsoft.com in your web browser. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see an option to do so. Enter your credentials and ensure you have access to your OneDrive account. This will be the hub where everything starts. Once you're in, you'll notice a suite of Microsoft apps at your disposal. Look for an icon resembling a grid of dots. That's the Apps Launcher. This launcher is your gateway to accessing various integrated services. Click on it, and from the list of applications, select OneDrive. It's usually among your most frequently accessed applications. However, if you don't see it right away, just scroll until you do. Once you've opened OneDrive, take a glance at the menu located on the left-hand side. You'll see various icons and options, but today, our focus will be on the icon labeled Shared. Click on it, and this will navigate you to the section where all shared files and folders reside. Within Shared, you should take note of two crucial options, With You and By You. By clicking on With You, you're entering a section that displays all the files and folders that others have shared with you. Think of it as your personalized library of collaborative work and shared resources. Take a moment to scan through this section. If you ever find yourself curious about what you've shared with others, we can head over to the option labeled By You. This area showcases all the files and folders you've shared with family, friends, or colleagues. It's a comprehensive view that ensures you have control and awareness over your shared items. Once you spot a specific file or folder that you've shared and you want to tweak the permissions or understand who exactly has access, click on it. A detailed menu will open up, and you'll see the option Manage Access. By selecting this, you gain the ability to control who can do what with your file, whether that's granting someone editing rights or restricting them to only viewing. OneDrive provides comprehensive control in this area. Once in the Manage Access panel, take a closer look at the permission levels associated with each user. You have the ability to adjust these permissions, allowing certain individuals to edit while others may only view the contents. This nuanced control ensures that your files remain secure yet accessible to those who need them. And there you have it. Following these steps will equip you with the skills to efficiently find and manage your shared files in OneDrive. This knowledge not only streamlines your workflow but also eases the process of collaboration in any setting.